Good afternoon, everyone. This is Romona coming to you from Social Media How To's with Romona. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your Facebook business page from the Facebook Business Manager. The first thing you want to do is open up your browser and type business.facebook.com and /settings. And the reason why you want to add settings onto the end of that URL is because if you just type business.facebook.com, it usually throws you into the new Facebook Business Suite, which in my opinion is even more confusing than the Facebook Business Manager. So go ahead and add settings to the end of that URL and hit enter. This should bring you into the Business Manager. So go ahead and click on the page that you want to remove from the Business Manager. This will bring you to the Business Settings page. Over in the left-hand navigation, go ahead and click on Pages. And by the way, if you've selected the wrong page or you want to do multiple or different pages, just look for the drop-down directly under Business Settings. Click on the drop-down arrow and it will list out all the pages that you have in Business Manager. But for now, again, click on Pages on the left. Make sure that the page that you want to remove is highlighted. And then you'll see over on the right-hand side where it has a button that says remove. Go ahead and click on the remove button. You should now see a dialog box that says remove page. Are you sure you want to remove this page? If you remove it, you won't have access to it in Business Manager, which is fine with me. So I'm just going to go ahead and click remove. And just know when you click remove, this does not remove the page from Facebook itself. It will only remove it from the Facebook Business Manager. It will give you a message that this page does not have any pages yet, but that just means that it's no longer in the Business Manager. However, if I go back to Facebook, I will see it. Back on the Facebook page, I'm going to click on Pages just to confirm that the page itself is still here. And when I scroll down, there it is. Okay, so this concludes how to remove your Facebook business page from Facebook Business Manager. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Romona coming to you from Social Media How To's with Romona. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your Facebook business page from Facebook's Business Manager. By default, when you log into Facebook, you will be on the home screen or your news feed. The first thing that you want to do to remove your Facebook business page from Facebook Business Manager is look for pages. So now you will find pages in a couple of different places. Sometimes you will see pages at the very top navigation. You will recognize it by the flag icon. I do notice that some of my clients do not have the flag at the top navigation. So if you do not see it, look over to the left and click on Pages. The next thing you want to do is find the page that you want to remove from Business Manager. Click on that. Now, because in my experience that each of my clients' pages looks different, instead of me telling you where to click to get to the Business Manager, I'm going to show you what to type. In the address bar, go ahead and type business.facebook.com. This will bring you to the new Facebook Business Suite. Go ahead and click on Settings. People will be highlighted, so you'll see your name or whoever's name is the owner of the account. The next thing you'll want to do is click on Business Assets. This will bring you to the All Assets page. Go ahead and click on Pages in the top navigation. And when you see the page that you want to remove, go ahead and click on it. Over to the right, you'll notice 3 dots. Go ahead and click on the 3 dots. And you'll see Remove from Business Account. Go ahead and click Remove from Business Account. If your business page is connected to Instagram, It will bring you to a dialog box that says you cannot remove this page because it's connected to an Instagram account. What you'll have to do is go to page settings first and disconnect that Instagram account. When you're on the page settings page, you'll want to scroll down on the left-hand navigation and click on Instagram. On the Instagram page, scroll down, and when you see disconnect Instagram, go ahead and click on the disconnect button. After you've clicked on the disconnect button, you will see a dialog box that says disconnect Instagram account. You can reconnect the account at any time. So I'm going to go ahead and click disconnect, and this will then bring you to a connect to Instagram account page. You may want to come back here later to reconnect your Instagram account after you've removed the Facebook business page from the Facebook business suite. Back on the Facebook Business Suite, I'm going to go ahead and click X on this dialog box, and I'm going to refresh my page. You should now be back on the Business Assets page. Once again, go ahead and click on Pages. Click on the business page that you want to disconnect. Click on the three dots. Click Remove from Business Account. Now you should see a dialog box that says remove from page. If you remove the page, it will no longer be part of the business account. People who currently manage the page will still have access upon removal. So do not fear, the page will not be deleted from Facebook, but it will move back over to the regular pages section. So go ahead and click on remove page, and let's go back to Facebook. So again, to simplify the process, just type facebook.com in your address bar, click enter, and let's go ahead and click on pages again.